being clear about the content I want to create has been the best way to achieve a good video outcome. And yes, that is definitely the right way to go about it, Roy, because when you think collectively about what you're actually doing, not just in your video per se, that one video that you're doing, but marketing as a whole, it makes it a lot easier to be able to make very big decisions about your business and about the direction of your business, and in turn, what type of marketing you're doing. Because marketing at the end of the day is drawing attention to your business, is trying to draw the attention of people who are going to buy from you and use your service. And hopefully, if you do a good job, they will then promote you as well. So if you're able to get a really clear idea of who you're speaking to, and when I say who you're speaking to, I'm not talking about just general demographics. I mean, have an idea of someone that you've worked with in the past, or someone who you would like to work with, who you've met or maybe come across in real life, and make the video for them and speak with them in mind. Do not use their name. Do not use their postal address. Do not provide any information, any identifying information of that respect. But to be able to have that mental image of that person in your mind, especially when creating videos or thinking of ideas to post on social media, or even doing live streams, or agreeing to go on live streams, or agreeing to say guest on a podcast. If you have the idea that if your audience is going to be there, or if your ideal person is going to be watching that video or listening to that video, then you should be there. And if not, I know that sounds a bit wishy-washy coming from me, but not everything is always going to be a clear-cut answer.